रोड से के माड़ी मेरी चली रे घोड़ा गाड़ी बाबू हो जाना फुटपाथ पर बसों की आज भी हड़ताल सवारी की फिर क्या है काल
Youth of my life has been cut commuting in Karachi buses, and that's an experience. That way you get to know people more. If I go to the same route in my car, I don't know what people think, I don't know what people speak. When I came to Karachi, I found that it resembled Bombay. Same Pali, same Parsis, same Anglo-Indians, same Hindus, a very multi-ethnic, very open society. I cannot imagine a Karachi without the contribution of Parsis in education, the Mama Parsi school, the BBS school, understand? Or our Christians. I've taught at St. Patrick's College, my son has studied at St. Patrick's School, my nephew was in St. Paul's, and that was just like Villa Teresa. In Bombay I had, and then the hospitals, Holy Family Hospital, we had Lady Dufferin Hospital, we had so many things in there, and I used to go. There was recently a feature about it. There is a Abbasi book depot, still to my surprise, in Juna Market. I used to go to Juna Market. That Karachi I miss. When I go to Bori Bazaar, and I don't see in December the shop with all the Christmas trees and decorations and all that. Culture doesn't grow within concrete. Culture grows when you have interaction. Tariq Road opened up because Sadr was becoming too crowded. I couldn't imagine at that time that time would come where there would be no cinema halls in Karachi. But I've seen them all go out, all broken up. Paradise Cinema is now Paradise Shopping Centre, Regal Cinema is now a Regal Mall or some sort of thing like that. And Chinese restaurants, they've all gone out. ABC restaurant, South China restaurant, Hong Kong restaurant where we went most of the time. And then we had the Ghalib Library, which used to be a hub. Faiz Saab, he used to come up without announcement and join us, those people who were reading and all that. You see, why is Sadr important? Why is Bandar Road important? Because of its proximity to Kemari, to the proximity to the port, to the harbour. Now we don't have so much traffic through the sea as we have through land and air. So if we go to new pastures, as Iqbal said, करेंगे एलन नज़र ताज़ा बस्तियाँ आबाद, मेरी निगाह नहीं सुए कुफा व बगदाद. I've been to both of these places also. So the new generation will have to decide. I hope to see a Karachi which has a better transport system, and I hope to see a Karachi with much more greenery, and I wish to see a Karachi with much more civic sense. That is our contribution, the lack of civic sense.